में इंटरेक्टिव आप लोग के साथ करने जाना चाहती हूँ। मैं चाहती हूँ हम और आप मिल के इसको सीखें। मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दी, बट मैं आपके साथ इसकी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ। तो आप डेली लाइफ में मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों के पास आज आप लोगों का दौर है और आप सब लोगों के पास सेल फोन मौजूद है, और जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है, इंफॉर्मेशन यू ऑलरेडी गेट फ्रॉम योर मीडिया, योर सेल फोन्स एंड ऑल दैट, बट द practical training and the information which we are doing at Dr. Anjali and all that, but you never know. जो चीज़ आपकी ज़िंदगी के लिए असाइन की गई होती है वो आपके लिए सबसे बेस्ट होती है. So just believe in that. This is what you have to do. So the day which I joined as medical college as a lecturer, the students of that class was my class fellows which were in intermediate or who were studying in the 4th year of medicine. So at that day, I realized that Allah has the best plans for you, and nothing could ever happen to you for PW. So always believe in that. And then I've got my PhD, and again immediately got the chance for the postdoctoral training in US, and now I've completed my postdoc from USA. Returned to my country, serving here as an assistant professor in Bagging 2012, and now recently got promoted as an associate professor. Along with that, I have always the intention to serve students, young guys like you. But I didn't find the platform till 2015 that कैसे लोगों की ज़िंदगी में डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया. तब तो पढ़ लिया, सजेशन भी मिल गई and all that. Then I have got the letter from Pakistan Biological Safety Association, which is the National Association of Pakistan, and that association has selected me for participation of one of the biosafety program in 2015. And that association afterwards, by thinking that I might be performing well in that, selected as a master trainer for the biosafety. And now I am, after the 6 years of training from international resources from USA, from National Institute of Health, US, and Safer Behavior, I am now heading as a SIN chapter head of Pakistan Biological Safety Association, and serving from both of the organizations. This is all this introduction is not to promoting myself, just to motivating you guys, because you are the future and you can do whatever you wanted to do. Just believe in yourself. So with that, थोड़ा सा बायोसेफ्टी की जितनी ट्रेनिंग मेरे आप लोगों के साथ, मेरी बायोसेफ्टी ट्रेनिंग मटीरियल वाली कम और बिहेवियरल ज़्यादा. तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमारी पिछले 6 साल की ट्रेनिंग है, और आप सब लोग भी अगर पाकिस्तान बायोलॉजिकल सेफ्टी एसोसिएशन को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, तो दिस इज द टाइम वी आर रनिंग द टास्क फोर्स फॉर द कोरोना वायरस, एंड वी आर एक्चुअली बिलीविंग इन दैट कि कोरोना वायरस का जितना खौफ आप सब लोगों के अंदर है, उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप अपने सिंपल नीड्स और बिहेवियर्स के थ्रू काम कर सकते हैं. And this is what we are trained from National Institute of Health US. So, me is Jakhar of Pakistan Biological Safety Association and Associate Professor for the Dr. A.P. Khan Institute of Biotechnology and Technology. Research and training, both are the future for every one of us. आप लोग बच्चे जिनको आगे जाके स्टैब्लिश करना है पाकिस्तान में, तो हमने अपने भी टीचर से ऐसे सीखा. डॉक्टर बसु मेरी टीचर है बायोकेमिस्ट्री से, और उन्होंने आज अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि हम उनके साथ करेंगे, आप लोगों से कुछ कुछ बात कर सकते हैं. So this is the basically the leadership qualities every teacher has, and it has to be transferred to you. So before starting any practical training, आप मुझे पूछना चाहती हूँ guys, what do you think, risk or hazard? नाम सुना है? Have you ever heard the word hazard or risk? Hazard का नाम सुना है? And what is risk? अगर उर्दू में बोलो तो दोनों खतरा ऐसे ही, पर इंग्लिश में अलग अलग वर्ड है, इसका मतलब अलग मतलब भी होगा. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
So what are hazards? A word, whatever you are thinking, don't think that it could be wrong. The only question in your life which is wrong, which has not been asked. हमेशा याद रखें, सवाल कोई गलत नहीं होता. हमेशा सिर्फ वो सवाल सबसे ज़्यादा गलत होता है जो पूछा नहीं आ रहा. So any question you have, feel free to ask. So what is hazard? What is in your mind? Yes, please.
Hazard is a source of danger.
Oh, and again, khatra, right?
But it's not here though. Danger but not here.
Okay. Any other idea? Yes, please.
It's an agent that can cause like harm or harm.
Okay. Good. That answer is pretty much close to the answer which I would like to describe with you guys. She said, what's your name again?
Hamda.
Hamda?
Hamda.
Hamda. Hamda said that it is an agent which can cause harm. It means the hazard is the thing which is always an object and it can cause harm. For example, if you are in a, I know you have a beautiful garden outside the hostel premises. But let's see if there is a snake or a cobra outside in that lawn, what it would be? It is your hazard. It is an object or any agent which can cause you harm. Understood? But what do you think? If you can clamp it out and do not allow them to move, will it be able to cause you harm or not? Will it be? Will it be? No. Come on, don't you have a breakfast in the morning or what? Okay. So it would not give you harm. So the risk definitions come from that. So risk is there is a probability of that specific hazard. Probability. कितनी percentage है उसकी? The probability of that hazard which can cause you harm is the risk. So there is a clear distinction between the hazard and the risk. If there is a big pot at your stove full of water and boiling, what it would be? Is it a hazard or a risk? It's a hazard. It's an object which will cause you harm, right? It's a hazard. But when it drops and falls for you and your skin gets burned, it is a probability basically. Maybe the stove is closed and the water is not hot, so it will not cause you harm. So there is a clear distinction